Today we're making a creamy homemade milk ice cream that's perfect for hot summer days. Start by preparing the ice cream base. In a bowl, add 250 grams of milk, 2 egg yolks, 60 grams of milk powder, and 40 grams of condensed milk. Using a hand whisk, mix everything together until completely smooth and well combined. Transfer the mixture into a saucepan and place it over low heat. Stir continuously while it heats. Avoid using high heat as the mixture can cook too quickly and stick to the bottom of the pan. Continue stirring until the custard lightly coats the back of a spoon or spatula. Place a sieve over a clean bowl and strain the mixture through it. This step catches any lumps and ensures a silky smooth ice cream texture. While the mixture is still warm, add 40 grams of chopped white chocolate and stir until completely melted. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for about 3 hours or until thoroughly chilled. In a separate bowl, add 350 grams of whipping cream and whip until light and fluffy. Take the chilled custard base out of the refrigerator and add about 1 cup of the whipped cream. Mix thoroughly to lighten the mixture, then gently fold in the remaining whipped cream until fully combined. Spoon the mixture into your ice cream molds, insert the ice cream sticks and cover. Freeze overnight until completely firm and set. And there you have it. Creamy homemade milk ice cream made with simple ingredients and no expensive equipment. It's perfect for summer, it's refreshing on a hot day, and it's packed with rich dairy flavor. If you enjoyed this easy homemade ice cream recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more delicious desserts, and let me know your favorite ice cream flavor in the comments down below.